Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we are going to set up a minimal, privacy-respecting Firefox profile for kids. Most kids use the internet through your browser. That means your history, your YouTube recommendations, your email logins, and all your trackers are sitting right in front of them. At the same time, their browsing is getting mixed into your digital life. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a separate, minimal, privacy-respecting Firefox profile for kids. No spying software, no complicated tools, just their own space, fewer trackers, and less chaos for everyone. Today we'll do this in Firefox and it will work on any operating system. We're going to create a separate Firefox profile for your child, turn on a few simple privacy settings, add one ad blocker, set a kid-friendly start page and bookmarks, and explain it to your child in a respectful way. I'll walk you through every click. Why a separate Firefox profile? On a shared computer, usually everything runs inside one Firefox profile. Your email and banking, your work stuff, your social media, and your child's games and school pages. That means they can accidentally open your accounts, trackers see both of you as the same person, YouTube mixes your interest with theirs, and your Firefox profile becomes a disaster zone. A separate Firefox profile for kids means different history, different cookies, different logins, and their own shortcuts and start page. Think of it like giving them their own Firefox without buying a new computer. Create a new Firefox profile for kids. We're going to use Firefox built-in profile manager. So in the address bar at the top of the page, type in about:profiles and press enter. You'll see a page called About Profiles. Don't worry, it looks geeky, but we only touch one button. So we want to click Create a New Profile. So we select this, and we will get a wizard that starts, and it says Firefox stores information about your settings and preferences in your personal profile. If you are sharing this copy of Firefox with other users, you can use profiles to keep each user's information separate. To do this, each user should create his or her own profile. So then we will select Next and give your profile a name. It can be your child's name, but for this example, I am just going to call it Kids. And then I want to select Finish. Now you will see your new Kids profile listed on the About Profiles page. Under the new Kids profile, click Launch Profile in New Browser. So here's our profile that we created, Kids. Launch Profile in New Browser. This opens a fresh window, completely separate, no history, no logins, no extensions. This is where we'll do all the setup for the Kids profile. So I'm just going to make it full screen here first. If you want an easy way to start this profile later, you can bookmark the About Profiles page and launch the Kids profile from there. Turn on basic privacy settings. So make sure you're in the Kids Firefox window, the one that just launched, and from here click on the menu button, 3 horizontal lines in the top right hand corner. And from here we are going to scroll down to Settings, and then over to Privacy and Security on the left. And here you will see at the top Enhanced Tracking Protection. For most kids, choose Standard. It blocks a lot of trackers without breaking too many sites. If you're comfortable troubleshooting occasional issues, you can choose Strict for stronger protection. But Standard is already a big improvement over Nothing, and it tends to just work. So from here, I want you to scroll down to Cookies and Site Data. And we're going to leave it on the default. Firefox will already block a lot of third-party trackers thanks to enhanced tracking protection. Okay, so from here we want to scroll down until we find the options for security. Now you want to make sure these are checked. Block dangerous and deceptive content. That's checked. Block dangerous downloads. That's checked. And also warn you about unwanted and uncommon software. We want to make sure that that is checked as well. These help catch obvious scam and malware sites before your kid clicks on them. Moving on, now we are going to install one ad blocker in Firefox. Firefox already blocks trackers, well, some trackers anyway, but we'll add one more layer. We'll install uBlock Origin, a well-known free ad and tracker blocker. In the Kids Firefox window, click the menu button again, the three lines at the top right-hand corner. And from here, you want to go down to Extensions and Themes. And from here, we can see there's a search for more add-ons. And in here, we want to type uBlock Origin. And hit enter. And here we have now a list of the extensions. We are looking for uBlock Origin by Raymond Hill. So this is the top one here, and it'll say Raymond Hill, and it has 5 stars. So we're going to click this. And then you want to add to Firefox. And just give it a moment. It will add the extension. And allow extension to run in private windows. Yes, you can tick this little box here under optional settings and click add. And that's it. Leave the default settings. No need to tweak advanced options. You can also pin the extension to the toolbar, so we'll just click OK. Now most ads and many trackers will be blocked automatically, making pages calmer and a bit safer for kids. So, we're keeping it simple, one extension in this profile, not a whole toolbox of complicated stuff. So now we want to set a simple start page in Bookmarks. We don't want kids opening Firefox and landing in something messy or adult oriented. So we're going to change the home page. And to do this, you want to go to the 3 lines in the top right hand corner, scroll down to settings, and from here we want to go over to home, and you will see home page and new windows. It's set at Firefox home by default, so I'm going to change it to a custom URL, and I'm going to use safesearchkids.com. I will leave a link in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it in yourself. Okay, so let's now just add a few bookmarks. To do this, you want to right-click on the top bar area, and then select Bookmarks toolbar and select Always Show. And here it will show where your bookmarks are. By default, you will see Import Bookmarks, but we can delete this by just right-clicking and remove from toolbar. Then if we go to a website that's for children or kids to browse, for this example, I've just gone to National Geographic Kids. And you could go to different ones, obviously, but for this tutorial, I've gone here. And then if I click the star and I select Save the bookmark to the Bookmarks toolbar, you will see that it appears there. So anytime they want to visit that site, all they have to do is click there on the link. We're giving them a few big clear buttons for the good stuff instead of letting them wander through the whole internet every time they open Firefox. Let's turn off Firefox account sync. We don't want your child's browsing mixed with your cloud sync. So if we go to settings and we go to the horizontal lines in the top right hand corner, down to settings, and then over to sync. You want to make sure in your child's profile that you are not signed in to your Firefox account. For younger kids, don't sign in at all. Leave this profile not connected to any Firefox account. Their bookmarks and history will stay only on this computer. For older teens, they can have their own Firefox account and sign in with that. Still keep your account in your own profile only. The key rule here is never use your own Firefox account in the kid's profile, and don't use their account in yours. Okay, so now we're going to show it to your child and explain some details. But first, I want you to go back to your profile. And when you're at your profile, I want you to type in the address bar about:profiles and hit enter. Now this brings up the profiles page where you can access your kids' profile that we created. So to have easy access to this and be able to open up their profile, we're just going to create a bookmark. So it's easy to access. So we'll go here to the star, and you can name it what you like. We'll put kids profile, and then we will save it to the bookmarks toolbar. And here you can see now anytime that we open up our Firefox profile, for example, all we have to do is select the kids profile, scroll down, and then we can launch profile in a new browser or kids profile, and they have their own unique profile that we set up. So now you can go ahead and show them their account. You've made a Firefox profile just for them. Their games, their school stuff and videos will be in that window. Your work, email and boring adult things will stay in your own. And finally, some light maintenance in Firefox. Once in a while, maybe once a month, open the kids profile and just go to add-ons and themes, go to the three lines in the top right hand corner and scroll down to extensions and themes. And if we click on extensions, you'll see that we have uBlock Origin. Make sure only uBlock Origin or other things you recognize are installed. Check, you can also check the search, make sure the default search engine hasn't changed to something sketchy. If something strange has appeared, remove it and have a short, calm conversation. This little thing got installed. Next time you see an ad extension pop up, please ask me first. You don't need daily micromanagement, just a quick health check now and then. So a quick recap and checklist. We opened About Profiles and created a new kids profile, launched it in a separate Firefox window, turn on enhanced tracking protection and basic security, installed uBlock Origin as the only extension, set a simple home page and a few kid-friendly bookmarks, kept your Firefox account out of this profile, give some explanation to your child which Firefox is theirs and which is yours, and planned a quick monthly check for strange extensions or changes. So you've now given your child their own browser space, with fewer trackers and less chance of stumbling into your adult digital life. If this helped you set up a cleaner, safer Firefox space for your kids, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you want more no drama videos about staying safe online, subscribe to Safe Web Life. And if you get stuck at any steps or something I've said that you find hasn't been made clear enough, just leave a comment below and I will get back to you. And I would just like to say to you, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.